My name is Helen. I am art director and co-founder of Procreations Development Group. I am a happy woman, a beloved wife, and mother of the charming young man. When I'm free, I like to bake pastry, cultivate plants, play guitar, take photos, hang out on Facebook, and spend time with my friends and family. My job helps me to bring my part of beauty, to convey peace of my soul to people from around the world, to be of help for the others to see the uniqueness of the smallest detail. My dream is to organize support center for the women, create educational programs for kids, share my discoveries and knowledge with people, help them to succeed.